I want the world to hear this awful noise. We think it's coming from a box that's down on the floor, but Comcast started it up, I don't really know, but when I got home, the noise was going, and we had an apartment manager, a maintenance guy, all try to figure out where this noise was coming from. It's not coming from the fire alarm, even pulling up the battery. We turned off all the power and it still was going on. But it's this shrieking noise. And so last night I had to go drive to Starbucks and grab Morgan so that he can authorize a ticket for someone to come out. But they wouldn't come out last night. They would only come out this morning between 10 a.m. and she said 12 a.m. But I think she was confused about what happens when you get to afternoon. So we think it's coming from this box down here. But we don't have Verizon, we have Comcast. For some reason, when we moved in, this box was still here. And this wire that winds around connects to the box that's in our pantry. And this pantry, the wire goes all the way up here into this box. And right now, this box, the lights were flashing yesterday, but now they're not. So, we're just really confused. And just want the noise to stop. I had to miss work today so that I could be here for this repairman to come. So, if you think of it, you can pray for us. Thanks. Bye.